Good morning friends, I am Jogendra Singh from channel Jogi and You. Today I have a very different trick for multiply any number with 9 or 99 or 999 or 9999, any number which has all digit 9. This multiplication is very quick, very fast. Just like miracle. We have some pair of numbers for multiply with this new method. First number is 27 into 9, second 46 into 99, third 29 into 999, fourth 137 into 9999, and fifth is 2746 into 9999. This method belongs to the great Indian Vedic math. Name of this method is less one from previous. It's called in Sanskrit Ek Nyunen Purvena. Here we have question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Before doing anything, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and hit the like button if you like my videos. Let's start with first question. What we have to do now, just less 1 from previous number, which is 27 minus 1 is equal to 26, and write this in right side. And after this, just write this 9 after 26. Now subtract this corrected number 26 from the whole right side, and here is our answer. 9 minus 6 3, 6 minus 2 4, and 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Our answer is 243. Okay, take another example. 46 into 99. Do same what we have done in previous question. Just less 1 from previous number 46. It's 45, and write this in right side. After this, write 99 next to 45, and now subtract this 45 from the whole right side, and the answer is in front of you. Third example. 29 into 999. Just subtract 1 from 29. This is 28. Write this in right side and write 999 next to 28. Subtract 28 from the whole right side, and the result is 28971. Do the same for example number 4, example number 5. These numbers are big number, but this method gives result accurately. See, 137 minus 1, 136, and next to 136, 9999, minus 136, and here is the result. Now 2746 into 9999, subtract 1 from 2746, it's 2745. Write this in right side and write 9999 next to the 2745. Subtract this corrected number again from the whole side, and here is our result. Take any pair for multiplying. If one number has all digit 9, then this method is applicable and very quick and superb method. So friends, if you like my video, subscribe my channel, hit the like button, press bell icon. And this is my new channel for CBSE class 10 mathematics. All the solutions, all the examples, all the concept will be in this channel very soon. So join this channel. Link is in description. Thank you. Have a nice day.